Hello students, before lecture I am discussing variable basic syntax of Python and working with Python. This lecture I am discussing Python variable. Python variable is a name that is used to refer to memory location. It variable is also known as identifier and used to hold value. We don't need to specify the type of variable because Python is a infer language and smart enough to get variable type. Variable names can be a group of both the letters and digits, but they have to begin with a letter or an underscore. Identifier naming. Variables are the example of identifiers. An identifier is used to identify the literals used in the program. The rules to name an identifier are given below. The first character of the variable must be an alphabet or underscore. All the characters except the first character may be an alphabet of lowercase, uppercase, underscore or digit. Identifier name must not contain any white space or special character, that is exclamatory mark, @ hash, %sign and star. Identifier name must not be similar to any keyword defined in the language. Identifier names are case sensitive, that is example, my name, all words in small character and my name is all words in capital is not the same. Example of valid identifiers is A123, _n_9, etc. Examples of invalid identifiers 1A, n-mod 4, n9, etc. Declaring variable and assigning value. Python does not bind us to declare a variable before using it in the application. It allows us to create a variable at the required time. It don't need to declare explicitly variable in Python. When we assign any value to the variable, that variable is declared automatically. The equal operator is used to assign value to a variable. Next concept, object identity. In Python, every created object identifiers uniquely in Python. It provides the guarantee that no two objects will have the same ID. The built-in ID function is used to identify the object identifier. Python provides the guarantee that no two objects will have the same identifier. Let's see example of object identifier. Declare a variable a is equal to 50, b is equal to a, print id of a, print id of b, then as reassigned variable is a is equal to 500, print id of a. Output is displayed in given in above example is id of a. a ची काय झाली, id ची व्हॅल्यू रिप्रेझेंट झाली. देन बी काय, बी इज इक्वल टू ए, असाइन काय केलं बी ला ए ची व्हॅल्यू, तेव्हा काय झालं बी ची ए ची आयडी आहे तीच काय झाली पुन्हा रिप्रेझेंट झाली. देन आपण काय केलं पुन्हा रिअसाइन्ड व्हेरिएबल केलं ए इज इक्वल टू 500, त्याची व्हॅल्यू रिप्रेझेंट झाली. नेक्स्ट, व्हेरिएबल नेम्स. We have already discussed the valid variable. Variable names can be any length, can have uppercase, lowercase, the digit and underscore character. Let's see example of variable names. Declare the variable name is equal to value assigned Devansh. Age is equal to 20. Marks is equal to 80.50. Print name, print age, print marks. Output is displayed in web page or based of this page. Devansh 20 and 80.5. Multiple assignment. Python allows to assign a value to multiple variables in a single statement, which is also known as multiple assignment. It can apply multiple assignments in two ways, either by assigning a single value to multiple variables or assigning multiple values to multiple variables. Let's see example of assigning single value to multiple variables. Example, x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 50. Then print x, print y, print z. Output is displayed in 50, 50, 50. काय केलं? एकाच लाईन मध्ये काय आपण केलं? एकाच व्हेरिएबलला व्हॅल्यू असाइन, तीन व्हेरिएबल डिक्लेअर केले आणि त्याला व्हॅल्यू काय केले? एकच असाइन केले. x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 50. प्रिंट काय करून घेतलं? प्रिंट x, प्रिंट y, प्रिंट z. आउटपुट काय डिस्प्ले झालं? 50, 50, 50. Let's see second example of assigning multiple values to multiple variables. Example, declare variable a, b, c is equal to 5, 10, 50. Then print a, print b, print c. Output is display is 5, 10, 50. प्रोग्राम मध्ये काय केले? आपण एकाच लाईन मध्ये काय केले? व्हेरिएबल डिक्लेअर केलेत आणि व्हॅल्यू काय केले? पास केलेत. मल्टिपल व्हॅल्यू पास केलेत. मग ते काय करून कन्वर्ट कसं करून घेतलं? a is equal to 5, b is equal to 10 and c is equal to 15. आउटपुट काय डिस्प्ले झालं? 5, 10, 50. This lecture discuss Python variables. Thank you.